I wash clean clothes. Yes, this is what happens so many times with my kids' clothes because they are so lazy or preoccupied with other things. Instead of putting their clothes that they're trying on back into their drawers, they prefer putting them into the washing because it's quicker and it's easier and they don't have to fold it. So yes, a lot of times I just wash clean clothes because staying clean clothes, staying with dirty clothes, they get the smell and everything else, and sometimes I don't have the time to just look on all of them. But all the time when I do the kids clothes, I look and I find some of them clean. I bet half of the clothes that they put into the washing, it's clean because we wash more of their clothes than we wash ours. And yes, tell me if it happens to you too. But I sometimes tell them, but I'm sure with the time they will learn. And yeah, but I wonder if I'm the only one or if there's other moms who do the same.